Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying inputs and acquiring the right cables. This prevents downtime. Plug the first computer into HDMI and the second into DisplayPort, or use an adapter if one machine needs conversion. Once done, power on the monitor and set its input to the first source to confirm signal. Make sure cable lengths and quality support your resolution and refresh rate. Poor cables cause flicker or no signal, and label connections so you won't swap them later. Next, you configure how you'll switch between machines. This is key. Use the monitor's input button or menu to toggle sources manually, and enable Auto Input Detect when you want seamless fallback if one PC sleeps. On each computer, set resolution and scaling to the monitor's native specs so windows appear correctly. If you need frequent switching, consider a small hardware KVM or remote desktop. That reduces physical toggling and preserves USB peripheral connections with one keystroke. Finally, you can streamline workflow by adding a KVM switch to share keyboard, mouse, and monitor with a single button press. This is why many professionals prefer it. Once installed, confirm hotkey or button switching works and that USB peripherals reconnect correctly. If things go wrong, power cycle the monitor and computers, receipt cables, and test each cable and adapter independently to find the failure. Make sure firmware is current on smart monitors, because updates often fix input recognition bugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.